Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing opportunity for everyone from college students to freshers to working professionals. That is Hacktober 25. It's a 1 month long open source program where you contribute in some great projects and you get goodies like t-shirt and badges. It's for only limited people, so don't skip this video. I'm going to share complete resources and how you can get started. Before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you'll get all the latest hiring updates, competition and placement material. Previously I have shared many startup placement, handwritten note and A to Z placement kit where you'll get everything. अगर आपको कुछ particular resource चाहिए, do comment on the video. I'll try to curate for you guys. Okay, so basically you already know about Hacktoberfest. People who are hearing first time, basically it's a 1 month long in October month. It's open source program जहाँ पे you contribute in repos where it's written Hacktoberfest the tag. Okay, I'm gonna talk everything like how you can get started, what are the benefit. Okay, so basically you already know it's a 1 month long open source program and it's organized by Digital Oceans and many collaborators, community sponsors. तो बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कंपनीज इसको स्पॉन्सर करती है. गिटहब एंड गिटलैब के थ्रू आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो. ओके, so it's basically encourage contributor to contribute in open source projects, bring new contributors, celebrate open source communities and maintainers. From this, it's very helpful. If your resume is empty, this you can add in your experience, in your achievement section, because it is recognized by everyone. Okay, so timeline is that on the month of September you get prepared, you find the repos, like in which repo you can participate. So it's all month to prepare, and then from 1 October to 31st October you make PRs. PRs means you make pull request once you do the changes. Okay, I'm gonna talk about how you can make PR. Okay, then they review, and after review you'll get the rewards. So they deliver t-shirt. So the t-shirt is limited. Like I'm gonna tell how much t-shirt you will get and how many PRs you need to raise. So yeah, it's started like I have already registered. You go and register now. Here you have the registration link. You have to fill basic details like your participating first time or not, you are a student or not, these details. And once you do, you will be registered and your profile will show. Like here it will tell that how many contribution you have at the start. It will be zero only. Okay, so I have already registered. When you visit through this, you have to just click on registration and then you have to fill basic details. It will show your profile, and here you can track your progress, how many PR you have raised and accepted. Okay, then you have to find a suitable projects. Yeah, there are hundreds of thousands of projects, but in which repo you can participate? I mean, in which tech stack? Maybe you are a developer in working in web development, or you are not good in development. You can do non-coding projects. You can contribute there as well. There are some backend projects where you can contribute AI ML related. There are many projects, so you have to find suitable good first issue to get started. If you are contributing first time, I'm going to share resources like where you can find good beginners friendly resume, sorry, beginners friendly uh, repositories. So then you have to, once you find, you have to do changes. I mean, you fork the repository, you do the changes and make pull request. It go to the maintainer and they accept or reject based on your contribution. वो मर्ज हो जाएगा तो फिर उसके बाद अप्रूव्ड हो जाएगा एंड यू विल गेट दी रिवॉर्ड बेस्ड ऑन 6 PR. अगर आपका 6 PR एक्सेप्टेड है एंड अंडर 10,000 people, only 10,000 people will get the t-shirt. बाकी बैजेस एंड रिवॉर्ड्स तो सबको मिलेंगे, बट टी शर्ट ओनली 10,000. सो गो एंड पार्टिसिपेट. हेयर आई हैव एडेड सम ऑफ द बिगनर्स फ्रेंडली रिपोज जो आपको सारा हेल्प मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, these are all beginners friendly repos. सारे resources link added है. If this video was helpful, do like and subscribe and follow for more updates.